10 amazing places that'll disappear while you still live. We hear so much about global warming, changing Earth's climate and landscape, that we've almost grown immune to news about it, not thinking about the significance of such changes. Let's imagine how some famous and endangered places might look shortly. The changes are going to be dramatic. See for yourselves. Number 10. Easter Island, Chile. That's how this beautiful place looks now. And that's how it will probably look in the future. Can you see the difference? Easter Island currently has hard times. A big influx of tourists leaves lots of garbage behind, damaging the statues and the fragile island ecology. Number 9. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest point in Africa, and it's covered in snow. However, in the last 100 years, the snow has started to melt rapidly, and precipitation can't compensate for this process. Scientists predict that the snow will disappear by 2033, and the volcano will lose its current appearance completely. Number 8. Culebra Island, Puerto Rico. That's how it looks now, and this picture is showing how this place will look in the future. Scary, right? The US Navy used to have training bombardments on this island, affecting the plants and animals there a lot. In 1975, bombing ceased, yet mass tourism did more damage to the unstable ecology. The whole island's ecosystem is now endangered. Number 7. Madagascar. All Madagascar forests will supposedly be cut down by 2025 if they're not rescued. There are animal species on the island that have still not been studied, and there's a chance they will become extinct before that happens. Number 6. The Great Wall of China. That's how this place looks now. Amazing, right? However, millions of tourists visit the Great Wall every year, and many of them take a stone or two as souvenirs. Other factors include acts of vandalism, name stones sold on the market, farmers stealing stones for fences, and erosion from sandstorms. 22% of the wall is gone already, and that's about 125 miles or 2,000 kilometers. In the future, it will look just like this. Alas. Number 5. Bagan, Myanmar. Bagan is home to over 2,000 Buddhist shrines and pagodas built in the 11th and 12th centuries. They were actively restored from 1995 until 2008, but then tourists came in the thousands. Many climbed the pagodas to get a good view, resulting in the deterioration of these ancient constructions. Number 4. Nuuk, Greenland. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland, ruled by snow and polar bears. The government plans to renew gemstone industry here. This will lead to the construction of mines, resulting in the change of the environmental situation. Moreover, the coastal ice of Greenland may melt by 2100, and the capital is situated just on the edge of the island. Number 3. Lake Nicaragua. Nicaragua is the only place in the world where freshwater sharks live. In July 2014, the government approved the construction of the Nicaraguan Canal, connecting the Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans. Hundreds of villages will be evacuated and moved. These plans will almost certainly strip Nicaragua of more than 500,000 hectares of rainforests and marshes. Number 2. The Seychelles Islands. The Seychelles beaches are gradually drowning. Now it looks like this. But climate change and a rising sea level lead to an extinction of corals, sandstone erosion, and washing away of the islands. Scientists think it's only a question of time before the Seychelles are completely underwater. And number 1. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Global warming is a serious threat for the Great Barrier Reef. If temperature rises even 1 degree centigrade above usual, seaweeds start dying, and corals suffer from intense sunlight, taking other inhabitants with them. In the future, it might change dramatically. As you could see, we all need to work together to save this planet. It does need our help, and everyone plays a major role in saving Earth.